TD Business Solutions Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're a business owner in 2025, choosing the right credit card can make a huge difference in managing expenses, maximizing cash flow, and even saving money through rewards. The TD Business Solutions Credit Card has been gaining attention as a versatile option for small to medium-sized businesses. But is it truly worth adding to your financial toolkit, or is it better to leave it on the shelf? In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about the TD Business Solutions Credit Card, its benefits, rewards, fees, and who it's ideal for so you can make an informed decision. Let's start with the basics. The TD Business Solutions Credit Card is issued by TD Bank, a reputable financial institution known for catering to both personal and business banking needs. This card is designed specifically for business owners, offering rewards on everyday business purchases like office supplies, gas, travel, and telecommunications. Unlike personal credit cards, it includes features that make managing business expenses smoother, such as detailed expense reporting and employee card options. One of the first things that stands out about this card is its reward structure. Cardholders earn 3% cash back on office supplies, 2% on gas, and 1% on all other purchases. If your business spends significantly in these categories, the cashback potential can add up quickly. For example, if your company spends $1,000 monthly on office supplies, $500 on gas, and $2,000 on other expenses, you'd earn $30 from office supplies, $10 from gas, and $20 from other purchases, totaling $60 per month or $720 annually. That's essentially free money that can be reinvested into your business. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. Many business owners overlook category-specific rewards when evaluating credit cards. They often focus solely on overall cashback rates, without realizing how much they could earn by aligning spending with the right categories. For small businesses, maximizing rewards in office supplies, gas, and travel can be far more valuable than a flat-rate cashback card. Another major benefit is the card's no annual fee option. For businesses just starting out or trying to minimize expenses, this is particularly appealing. While some business credit cards carry hefty annual fees, the TD Business Solutions Credit Card allows you to earn rewards without worrying about offsetting the cost of the card itself. This creates an immediate net benefit if you use it strategically. Let's talk about employee cards. The TD Business Solutions Credit Card allows you to issue additional cards to employees with customizable spending limits. This feature is crucial for companies that want to streamline expense tracking while giving employees the ability to make necessary purchases. Most business owners struggle with managing petty cash or reimbursing employees for expenses, but this card simplifies that process, while keeping the rewards consolidated under one account. One surprising truth about this card is its reporting tools. TD Bank provides detailed online reports that categorize spending by department, employee, or category. This makes bookkeeping, tax preparation, and budget planning much more straightforward. Instead of manually reconciling receipts at the end of the month, you can download detailed statements that already organize spending patterns, saving you time and reducing errors. Interest rates are another important consideration. The TD Business Solutions Credit Card has a competitive APR compared to other business credit cards, though like all cards, it varies based on your creditworthiness. For business owners who pay their balance in full each month, the APR isn't a concern, and you can essentially use the card as a free short-term financing tool while earning rewards. However, carrying a balance could lead to significant interest charges, so disciplined payment behavior is essential. Now let's examine perks beyond rewards. The TD Business Solutions Credit Card offers purchase protection and extended warranty coverage on certain purchases, which can be valuable for equipment, technology, or supplies purchased with the card. If a piece of office equipment breaks or is damaged within the coverage period, TD may reimburse or repair the item. This is a feature that many small businesses overlook, but it can prevent unexpected costs and reduce operational disruptions. Another important feature in 2025 is the integration with accounting software. TD Bank allows you to link your credit card transactions directly with software like QuickBooks or Xero. This makes reconciling accounts much faster and reduces human error. For busy business owners, this is a game changer because it cuts hours of bookkeeping down to minutes, allowing you to focus on growing the business rather than managing paperwork. Let's also address credit building potential. While this card is designed for businesses, The primary cardholder's personal credit is typically considered in the approval process. Using the card responsibly, paying on time, maintaining low balances, and avoiding maxing out the credit line can help build or maintain strong personal credit, which is valuable for securing loans, lines of credit, or other financing options in the future. A common question from business owners is how this card compares to competitors in 2025. Cards like the Chase Ink Business Cash or American Express Blue Business Cash offer similar rewards, but TD Bank's card stands out for its simplicity and no annual fee. Many competing cards require navigating multiple bonus categories, rotating offers, or higher minimum spending requirements to maximize rewards. The TD Business Solutions credit card keeps things straightforward, allowing you to earn rewards on the categories where your business naturally spends. One caveat: the 1% on other purchases is modest. Businesses with significant spending outside office supplies, gas, and telecommunications might find higher rewards on other cards more appealing. However, for businesses with predictable spending in the bonus categories, this card can provide consistent, reliable cash back without complex management. Now let's talk about redemption. Unlike some business cards that require converting points into rewards or travel credits, the TD Business Solutions credit card cash back is applied directly as a statement credit. This means rewards are immediately usable, either to reduce your current balance or to reinvest in your business. For small businesses, having cash back automatically applied can simplify cash flow management, giving you access to funds without extra steps. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. Some business owners overlook the importance of immediate liquidity. Rewards that sit in a points account might be tempting, but don't help cover operational expenses in real time. With TD's automatic statement credit, your rewards are immediately functional, contributing directly to your business bottom line. Let's explore additional perks. The card offers travel and dining rewards for business trips or client meetings, earning 2% cash back. For companies that have employees traveling frequently, these rewards can accumulate quickly, covering some of the travel costs or meals. Combined with the 3% on office supplies, this makes the card particularly strong for service-oriented businesses, sales teams, or companies with multiple client interactions. Now, a crucial aspect: fraud protection. TD Bank provides zero liability protection, which means that if unauthorized charges occur, the business is not held responsible. This protection is vital, especially when employees have access to cards. It reduces the risk of financial loss from fraudulent activity and adds peace of mind for business owners. The card's simplicity also extends to its online management platform. You can set spending limits, view real-time transactions, and track cashback earnings effortlessly. This transparency is key for companies that need to monitor expenses across multiple departments or employees. You won't have to deal with complex spreadsheets or separate systems. Everything is centralized and easy to access. Let's touch on approval requirements. The TD Business Solutions credit card considers both personal and business credit. Businesses with established revenue streams and a solid financial history are more likely to be approved, but startups with limited financial history may need to provide additional documentation or consider a secured option first. This makes the card accessible to a wide range of business sizes while still mitigating risk for the bank. One more point about rewards: the categories are carefully chosen to align with typical business spending. Gas, office supplies, and telecommunications are consistent expenses for most small to medium-sized businesses. By focusing rewards on these areas, TD Bank ensures that the cash back is meaningful and achievable for most cardholders. Unlike cards with overly broad or niche categories, this card targets practical, everyday business expenses. Finally, let's look at the overall strategy for 2025. For business owners who regularly spend on office supplies, travel, and telecommunications, the TD Business Solutions credit card is a powerful tool. It combines rewards, simplicity, and useful business management features in one package. While it doesn't offer luxury travel perks or premium benefits, it delivers solid, consistent value for its target audience. In conclusion, the TD Business Solutions credit card in 2025 is worth considering for small to medium-sized business owners who want a no-nonsense card that rewards everyday business spending. With 3% cash back on office supplies, 2% on gas and dining/travel, and 1% on other purchases, plus no annual fee and easy employee management, it offers practical benefits